As years went on, when I moved to Maryland, I actually started auditioning for bands and doing karaoke, for which I won a lot of the karaoke contests. I absolutely did. But as far as the auditions, it did not work. The auditions were absolutely terrible. I got turned down so many times for auditions, and I really couldn't understand why. But being as that I was raised and very well raised, with my father's voice in my ear, it was always, don't ever give up on something that you want to do and always give it your 100%. So as the years went on and it progressed, I was in a Baltimore-based band for 5 years, for which that's where I learned everything as far as being a front person, getting into what you're doing and performing. I was with that band for 5 years. And after those 5 years, it got to the point where I wanted to do me. I wanted to be me, and I couldn't be me in this other band. I had to branch off and start my own thing that I wanted to do.
You think you're slick, but I know all your tricks.
I established a bar, and in the bar, I had open mic night. And throughout this open mic night, there were all kinds of awesome musicians that would come through. One very famous musician came through, Dennis Chambers. He came through. And he was another one that said, hey, you've got that it thing and you really need to do this. So he was another influential person that gave me some words of wisdom. As time went on, we actually, I developed my band, and that's where LA and the Unusual Suspects started. Was throughout the open mic nights, and it's been that way ever since. And we've been together for 7 years. I still have the majority of my same players, two specifically, that are the best musicians in Baltimore as far as I'm concerned. That's Kevin Robinson and Vinnie Hunter. And it's just been an ongoing saga that is absolutely phenomenal, and it's such a blessing. And here I am today, just being me and doing what I want to do.